how are you all? I'm fine. This is Tikshana Sipana. So today's video is wild animals and their food. This video is actually created previously by my brother, but I'm going to narrate this because he is actually not in our home, he is in our grandma's home. So that is why I'm here to narrate and explain about wild animals and their food. So without any further delay, let's enter into our topic. Different animals eat different types of food. And some animals, such as elephants, deer, zebras, giraffes, and hippopotamus, eat grass, fruits, leaves, and plants. These animals are called plant eating animals or herbivores. And some animals eat flesh of other animals, examples tigers, lions, leopard, and snakes. Such animals are called flesh eating animals or carnivores. And some other animals like bats, crows, and bears eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. So these are called as omnivores. While some other animals like vultures, hyena, wild dogs, and jackals eat the flesh of dead animals. And these animals are called scavengers. A fact that they help in cleaning the forest because the dead skeletons and the dead animals. So these scavengers used to eat them and clean the forest. So this is today's video and I hope you have enjoyed this and got something new. So thank you. But yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Usha's Sunshine. Thank you.